Are you looking to grow your wealth through real estate? Leverage can be a powerful tool to expand your portfolio, increase cash flow, and maximize your returns, if used wisely. In this video, we'll break down how leverage works and how you can use it to your advantage. Leverage in real estate means using borrowed money to finance an investment property instead of paying the full purchase price upfront. This allows you to control a larger asset with a smaller initial investment. When used effectively, leverage can help you scale your portfolio faster and increase returns. But it also comes with risks, which we'll cover later in this video. Leverage can be a game changer for real estate investors. Here's how you can use it to your advantage. Turn your investment into a rental property. Instead of relying solely on personal funds to cover your mortgage, a rental property can generate steady income. This helps you make payments while building long-term wealth. Plus, with the right property management, you can create a truly passive income stream. Diversify your portfolio quicker. By using smaller down payments and financing the rest, you can spread your capital across multiple properties. This strategy allows you to scale your investments faster while balancing risk across different locations or property types. Protect yourself from inflation. Unlike cash savings, which lose value over time, real estate investments can act as a hedge against inflation. Fixed mortgage rates keep your loan payments stable, while rising property values and rental rates increase your overall returns. While leverage can accelerate your success, it's important to understand the risks involved. If property values decline, you may end up owing more than your investment is worth. There's also no guarantee that rental income will always cover your mortgage, especially if vacancies or unexpected expenses arise. Additionally, since most loans require collateral, failure to meet your obligations could put your property at risk. That's why careful planning and risk management are key to making leverage work for you. If you're considering using leverage, you'll need to explore the different financing options available. Traditional mortgage loans offer lower interest rates, but require a strong credit score and down payment. Home equity loans allow you to tap into the value of an existing property for additional investments. Hard money loans provide quick financing, but come with higher interest rates. Private loans can also be an option for those looking for more flexible terms. Choosing the right loan depends on your financial goals and risk tolerance. Leverage is a powerful tool, but success comes down to smart decision-making. Working with real estate professionals, such as property managers and financial advisors, can help you make informed choices, maximize profits, and minimize risks. If you're ready to take your real estate investments to the next level, contact Austin Property Management today for expert guidance.